Hello viewers, just on another close ride to Maitland out near Dunns Creek. Going to have a look around in the area. It's a bit of a windy day. I thought I might have got the drone up and had a look around, but yeah, just see how that wind treats it. So just another easy ride out in the country. See what I've got to find. See how we go. Cheers. Yeah, so I've just been out here in Columbey Conservation Reserve. Had the drone up. I thought it might have been too windy, but it handled it excellently, as you probably saw from the footage. Great area, good views, quite a few properties around the area as well. So yeah, not to upset any of the cattle or anything like that. I stayed out of their way. But I just thought I'd run you through some of the things on the bike. The V-Strom 2014 model, you've probably heard me talk about this before, and I just got the GT version, 19-inch front wheel, 17-inch rear wheel. As you can see, I'm running road tyres still. That they do quite well actually. They're the Pirellis, and they're the Scorpion Trail 2. They seem to handle some of the gravel roads quite well, and yeah, it gets me by until I get something a little bit different. There's so much to choose from these days with gravel and off-road tyres, so it'll be interesting to see what I decide on. Yeah, worked out how to get the the DJI Mini 3 Pro case on the back. Got the panniers, they were standard with the bike. I haven't really done much to the bike myself. Bought it in this sort of condition. I did put the Airhawk cushion on there, which I find fantastic. Some of the things that I have are I've got a couple of GoPros, one I like to have on the front of the bike, and yeah, it just gives a smooth sensation as far as the filming's concerned. Got the extensions on the mirrors, which, as I say, most of this was on the bike when I got it. Heated hand grips, used them a few times, find them great where you need them. I have put a bit of an extension on my screen, just sits it up a bit higher. I'm about 6'1", and yeah, I like to sit up, and the extra screen height gives me a bit more protection. Run a couple of things as far as my topographic maps. I have on a 7-inch, it's just a basic 7-inch Lenovo tablet, and yeah, it works fine. And I just run my Android phone with DMD2 software. It's got more on it than what's showing there at the moment, but it just gives me yeah, just some basic information that I like to have. I've actually got remote control for the GoPro. I find it safer to use rather than trying to reach around for buttons and getting distracted. I know where everything is on that one, and it's always in the same spot. So the yeah, that's basically my V-Strom. Alright, I'm going to get back on it and head back in towards town. Talk to you soon. As you can see, being a conservation area, there's a lot of restrictions on entry. Basically the only thing you can do is walk through, and they do have constant video surveillance on these areas. So my son found out the hard way when he brought his four-wheel drive through, and copped a fine. So I guess you should read the signs and adhere to what they say. These houses on the edge of the reserve certainly they've got some premium views. Be pretty hard to take, wouldn't it? Little village of Dunns Creek. Alright, I'm going to exit out of here, head for home, and catch you next time around. As I always say, subscribe, like, comment. It's all welcome. Cheers guys. See ya.